Ate Mavi. Hi, Ate Mavi.
We're having...
Are you having fun? Yes. Sige.
Yeah. Hey, Daddy. We're going to the church. Yeah. You know, that's a church.
Traffic.
There's a church under the trees. Under the trees.
Nasaan ang mga batang ito? Just you and me. Just you. Where's Kuya Jeren? How are you?
Saan na may dalawa yung...
Morning. Ang haba naman intro niyan, no? Hey, share, ha? Easy, girl, easy. Again, I'll go. Pizza!
Pizza Hut.
Again, go. Pizza!
Pizza.
You want some cheese pizza? This is pepperoni. There's cheese. No, not that one. This is the cheese. I know plates, huh? Wait. Guys, wait. It's too hot. Which one do you want?
Oh my God! What cheese pizza? I can't.
I'll get the plate. I'll get it.
I want to get 2 slices. Sorry.
Go. Get it.
What is that? Ayun!
Mawala po sila ang taong bayan. This one, okay. This one.
Pizza! That's a max. That's a max.
Sige, daddy, kain na. Hot pa. Nag-hi naman siya.
Wala yung basta sa We will come back to a yellow more.
Sarap!
Lala!
Gabi!
Woo!
Yummy? Guys, are you guys having fun?
Seven!
Seven now! Uy, bakit ka nang babato?
We're 5:38. That is not 5:30 a.m. 6 a.m. na yan.
Oo. Dapat din, nag-grab kami, dapat kinlikbit ko, may nasugatan. Ganon. Ano na, sige na. Come on, tell it.
Hindi ka,
Tell it
hindi.
to us. Ano? Give it to me. I was waiting for your revelation. So, ganito po yung Tito Boy. Dapat gano'n. Again. 1, 2, 3, go! Woo! You love Ate Mavi, di ba? Bigat! Bigat!
Bigat pa po si
Bigat!
Jel.
Mas magbibigat pa? Oo, bigat.
Kaso kaya ko po si Jel.
Gusto, ayaw pa magpababa ni Nagustuhan niya magpakarga kay Mavi.
Winner! Winner! I don't know how to calm down. I had too much sugar.
Sige, dance. Ice cream yummy, dali. It's your turn. Ice cream yummy. Ice cream yummy. Tinutulak ako ng anak ko.
Fighting games.
Food trip po kami. Food trip. Kanina pizza, ngayon donut naman. Walang kasuka, walang kabusugan.
Crust bala po talaga yung nakakabus.
Yung stuffed crust nakakabusog. Sige na, kuha na. Tulog na sila. Joke lang. Good night, guys. Uy, good night naman. Please. Good night. Bye-bye. Good night. See you tomorrow. Doc, gising na po sila. Good morning, guys. Kunwari hindi pa kayo nakapag-toothbrush, ha? Kunwari hindi pa kayo nakapaghilamos. Say hi to my vlog naman, guys. Hello! Ipot ng anak ko! Lagi ka nagbo-bold sa vlog ko. Nakangiti pa. Hello, guys. Hello. Good morning! Good morning! Hello, madlang people! Good morning! Okay na. Let's eat na. We have carbonara and roasted chicken. Nagmamadali po ito. Biglang bumangon. Narinig yung carbonara at roasted chicken. Halika. Ano ko na, ipe-prepare ko na doon. Then, carbonara.
Bakit mo gusto pa sila?
Hindi, kagigising lang. Teka, mag-prepare na tayo. Maghain na. Ito na ang aming chicken. Roasted chicken. Tapos na kami kumain. Ano, kamusta naman guys? Masarap naman? Goodie.
I rate 10 over 10.
Wow! Wow! Nasa vlog lang kayo, kaya kayo na pa. Dapat ganon. Ice cream yummy. Wow, may pumapapak pa. Pero kapag sa braces mo, kainin mo. Ay, sorry. It's yummy. Oh, may handaan eh. Tiyo. Carbonara at manok. Mima. Manok. Tapos na kami kumain. Eto, tira ni Elan. Kaloka. Ang dami pinakuha. Talaga ba? Okay. Yes, kumakain ulit sila. Yummy. Yeah. Yummy. Effort. Tapos nanonood ng movie. Horror. Wow. Hala ka. Oo. Lo. Ano yun?
Sagot ka na.
Napatay niya.
Napatayin niya. Uy, bakit?
Ito, ubus na. Yay. Nagustuhan nila. Mga na-trauma na po sa pagkain itong mga to. Traumatic ba? Food coma daw. Kain na kami nakain.
Ate, I'm not fighting the bacon!
No, I'm not fighting the bacon. Hello! Ano na pong chismis? Joke. Hindi namin ma-disclose yung chismis dito, guys. Kasi, it's confidential. Ang poging tab user ng Pasig. Computer expert ng Covina Verde. Ito, kailangan nating masabi. Ang, ano ba, raketera ng taon. Raketera ng taon. Ang raketerang kolehiyala ng rakiterang kolehiyala ng Summer Green. Ang ate ng bayan. Ang ano nga pala, Mobile Legends player, junior player. Kasi sabi, tinanong ko siya, ano yan, ML? Sabi niya, yes. Ginawa ko tuloy siya.
Oh baby, baby, why you acting this way? I just remember all our days up the interstate.